One beautiful morning, I went for a walk in the park with my grandfather. However, I noticed that the park's road was broken and damaged in many places. Grandfather said, "Come on, today we will fix this road together. First, let's use this JCB to level the ground and spread the soil in the right places." "Look, Grandfather, I am also clearing the soil." Grandfather replied, "Well done, son. You did an amazing job. Thumbs up."
दादा देखो,
शाबाश बेटा।
और साफ कर रहा हूँ, बहुत अच्छा।
Then, a big dumper arrived and dropped a huge pile of gravel to build the road. I was very surprised to see this. I took hold of the hose pipe and started spraying water on the gravel so that it would settle down firmly. Grandfather said, "Now it's time for this heavy road roller. Look, Ali, how it is making the road perfectly flat and strong."
Let's go.
Here we go.
Grandfather skillfully spread the black asphalt, on the road, and I supported him at every step. The road was ready, only the final task remained. I very carefully painted a beautiful yellow line down the middle of the road. In no time, the park road became brand new and magnificent. Now, everyone can walk here peacefully. The sun began to set, and I headed home with my grandfather. We were both very happy that we had done a good deed together. Moral of the story: there is a blessing in working together. If we all join hands to improve our environment, every path of ours can become easy and beautiful.